So the next terminology that I would like to discuss or explain is about this well-formed formula, or we just put it in short, WFF. So this WFF is combining, combinations of letters here referring to the statement variables and logical connectives and parenthesis or bracket, which generate meaningful expressions. These expressions later we will call as logical expressions, or we also can logical expressions or logical structures. Also, you can say as a logical sentence. There are so many similar terminology that we can tell about that. Okay, so it's a combinations. If you see here, there are three elements. The first one, statement variables, and then logical connectives, and then the parenthesis. So how we put all these three elements so that we can get meaningful expressions? Okay, for examples, let's see. I have this statement according to WFF. A implies B, or B implies A. So if I give you statement like this, the way you understand might be different with the way the way you understand how these statements with the way I expecting might be different. For examples, you can tell that, okay, if this is the statement, meaning you will do as how the precedence earlier. If you looking at that, meaning or here is stronger than implies, then you will work first with A implies B or B implies A, because between or and implies, or is stronger. Then you will work this one first. Then after you work this one first, then which one next? Now, you see here both left is implies. So are you going to work on this one first, and then after that here? Or you are going to work this one first, and then the result with this one later on. So it's quite difficult to justify. That is why WFF is important. So the way I put in here, not yet proper as how WFF put into the rule. But if I do like this, for examples, I have parentheses here, and also I have another parenthesis in here. then we cannot argue anymore. The first one that you need to solve, you do this one first, and then you do this one, the second one, and then you will work here, the third one. We cannot argue. This is it. How is it supposed to be expressed? This is WFF, so that whenever you put the combinations of statement, variables, logical connectives, and parentheses, then you will generate one meaningful expressions without any doubt in there anymore. It will be fixed. This is what I want, for example. Not like the two scenario that we discussed in here. So you got that one, yeah?